Hey guys, so Apple just announced macOS 26. Why not 16? Well, because Apple's excuse is that you mainly use the operating system in the next year. Which, although is true, it's not the 26th operating system that they've made. Now you might be wondering, how am I going to install this beta? Well, if you don't have the supported hardware, you legacy patch it. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing with this 2010 iMac. It currently runs High Sierra, or, well, it's going to, in a few minutes. So right now what I'm doing is I'm making a bootable installer for macOS High Sierra. Now the reason for that is because the iMac here actually thought that it was the config for a MacBook Pro, which it's not. So I'm gonna fix that right here. I'm installing it onto that USB flash drive, and we're gonna go from there. Hopefully this bootable installer works, and it thinks it's an iMac and not a MacBook Pro, so that I can finally use OpenCore Legacy Patcher and patch it to the beta, and if not to the beta, then some version of Sequoia. Yeah, nerd talk, but that's what this channel is about. My original plan was to make a video about Steam on the Chromebook, however, my Chromebook doesn't support Steam, so I cannot make that video. Which makes this laptop even more of a paperweight. Okay, so it has finished, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out from the MacBook. I forgot to eject it. I'm gonna plug the flash drive into the iMac. We're gonna go ahead and go to startup disk. Okay, there's nothing. We're gonna shut it down actually because I don't know what's going on. Now we're gonna power it back on. We're gonna hold down the Alt key on the keyboard. There it is, there's the USB. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, now that we're here on the install screen, first we're gonna go into terminal and do the date thing. Now we shut it down. Let me turn it back on. Okay, here we go. We are back at the install screen. We're just gonna jump right into it. Honestly, I'm not even gonna bother looking at the date saved. Yeah, continue. Agree. Yep. Do it. And now, we wait for it to install. It's done. I didn't realize it was done. Oh, it's slow. Oh, it's frozen. It's fine. Take your time. It's not like I'm recording a video or anything. Choose keyboard layout. Yes. United States. Sure, let's log into my internet. Data privacy. Nah, don't transfer anything. We'll set that up later. I don't want that. Yeah, I agree. Of course I read it. You get one character password. That's all you're getting. Express setup. Yeah. Setting up your Mac. Wow. It only took like 45 minutes. Wow. Look at that. We're on the desktop. We're gonna go ahead and eject the install High Sierra. And we're just gonna immediately go download the Legacy Patcher, because why not? OpenCore Legacy Patcher. There it is. Assets. I guess we have to download a browser. All this to install a patched version of macOS, man. And actually I'm gonna copy the link. Alright, well let's just go ahead and just do it. Alright, we're gonna close out Safari, we don't need it. And do we have our assets? Yes, we do. Here we go. OpenCore Patcher.package. Now we have to wait for that to install, and then we're gonna have to wait another 3 hours for the new OS to download. That's gonna be fun. Yes. Do it. Spacebar. Yes. Go. Write those files. Yay. It was installed successfully. We'll keep that. Please don't say it's invalid or the config is for a MacBook Pro. Please. Yes. Okay. Install to disk. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Actually, we're gonna shut it down. Oh. We're gonna shut down because when you restart, it doesn't want to actually show an image. So we have to shut it down first, then can turn it back on. Oh, this iMac is hot. Okay, now we sign back in. I realized I didn't bother changing the profile picture, but oh well. Let's open Legacy Patcher again and see what OS version we can go to. Create macOS installer. Let's download it installer. Oh man, I really hope the beta will be out. No! We'll do Sequoia. We'll do 15.5. There we go. Look at that progress bar. That is gonna take a long time. And for that, I am most likely going to be stopping the recording for now. While it downloads, I'm gonna let this camera charge because it's about to die. And I'm gonna report back to you guys later. Alright, so it seems like it's on its last little section of creating the installer, so that's good. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer and see what happens. Would you like to Yes. I think I already did it. Yes. Sure. Here, now we're gonna shut down. Let's find out if we did it. Hold down the option key. EFI boot. Yeah, you. Yes, continue. If this works, that would be so funny. Agree. I agree. Yes. Yes. Go. Oh my god, yes! Look at it go! It's gonna be another hour of waiting. Oh, but it's gonna be so worth it. Look at that. Oh, this actually looks terrible. Let me turn on some light. Can you see that better? No, this camera actually sucks. Okay. I thought using this camera would be fun, but now that it's 8 p.m., not even 8 p.m., the quality looks like ass, and that's why I don't use this camera. But Sequoia's actually being installed on the 2010 iMac. Instead of watching the entire install process, I'll just check back with you in a little bit. Oh, 1% completed. Now that I'm recording with my iPhone, it's like, thank you for recording with a better quality. We're actually gonna work now. I don't know what this means. What does 1% complete? Like installing it or like setting it up? You do that. Oh, yo. Alright, let's go ahead and enter the password. See how good does this look? How good does it look and how well does it perform? Sure, it's taken a while, but that's most likely because, you know, mechanical hard drive still thinks it's 1014 even though it's 1016 now. That can't be good. Wow, this is really frozen, isn't it? Yo! Oh my god, you see the time? 10:20? Took 6 minutes just to log in. Not now. And yeah, this. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-uh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yay! Load that desktop. Yes. Make the dock a little smaller, just like that. There we go. Cool. Alright, give me the specs. Yeah. Well, I think that's enough for this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.